It's another great day to make videos. Kind of stuck at the moment. Trying to cross here. Took a leap of, or a step of faith. Failed. So the plan is that we're gonna camp somewhere over there. We're gonna talk a little bit about a new sleeping bag and some coffee that you never had before. So if I make it out of here, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. So my first night in the Funäs Lite. This is the long version. I don't know if you can tell, there's a hat. I forgot my buff, so that was a great decision. And I got some thick socks and my long johns on. I wanted it to be really warm and summery. It wasn't. It was pretty cold. The sleeping bag was fine. I had a thick sleeping pad and then another sleeping pad underneath. I had the little cocoon as well, and yeah, it was still cold. So I think I pushed it a little bit too much. This is not the comfort temperature that it's meant for, as it is right now. So yeah, as you can see, the temperature that I'm supposed to be able to sleep a good night's sleep in should be around 12-13 degrees Celsius, but I'd say it was more around 5 or 6 maybe, so it's no wonder that I was a little bit cold. Anyways, it's a nice sleeping bag. I like it because it's very lightweight. It's really thin, so it's a perfect summer sleeping bag. I wanted to try it now because I'm going on some adventures this summer, hopefully. And yeah, I just want to see how much it can take and what I need to do to be able to have a really good night's sleep. At the leg end here, you can see I have two little loops, so you can hang it up to dry if you need to do that. And on the top here, you can see that there's a draw cord and a little bungee cord there, so if you want to tighten it around your neck, you can do that. You got two zippers. You can open it up in the bottom as well. Of course, zipper up there as well. I'm going to show you guys how big it is when it's packed down, so let's do that. There you go. I don't have the biggest hands in the world either, so I mean, I think this is a really good size. There you can tell the weight as well, hopefully around 500 grams. This is a synthetic bag, so it's a little bit different from the down bags in the way that it's a little bit more water resistant. It's not that thick, and it still retains a good amount of heat. Down bag, you could compress that down a lot as well, but I think this one, with size and weight and everything, is a really good fit for summer adventures. Gotta give it up for this as well, the cocoon travel sheet or the sleeping bag liner. This one is the one, they got a couple of different versions. This is with 100% Egyptian cotton, nothing but the finest, right? All right, let's have some coffee that I guarantee you've never had before. So I'm talking about this coffee right here. The coffee is delicious, but I don't know if it's equally interesting is this part over here. This thing, so you know the freeze-dried bags, and then you got a coffee brewer built into this thing. There you can always see what kind of coffee it is, how it's made and all that, where it's from. But you pour hot water into this thing, and it's like a freeze-dried bag, but it's just, the difference is in here, where it kind of brews the coffee, and then you can just pour it out. And you can use this one 2 times, or you can even fill it up with your own. Pretty cool to bring it with you like this, where you can filter your own coffee and just pour it in and enjoy. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, for those of you wondering where the cow went, she's still here. She's just watching me watching her. I don't think she's leaving. So I'm boiling some eggs. And we're gonna have some more meat that my buddy Goran got for me. Look at this thing, I hope you can see it there. Smoked. Shout out to Goran, and I think his mom and stepdad, or the family, they made this, and he saved a little piece for me. Really do appreciate that, brother. What do you know? She brought a friend. So the coffee's done, eggs are boiled. There's a little bit of the meat right there, looking really good. The whole gang is here as well. Time to get some breakfast in. It's really amazing how much energy you get, even if I didn't sleep that much. Just being outside, being, I don't know, being one with nature, or whatever you want to call it. But mentally, I feel extremely refreshed. So that's really cool. And now when most people clicked off this video and only the OGs are left, just want to say thanks. And also, I talked with the guys from that make that coffee, or they talked to me and wondered if I wanted to collaborate with them, and I was like, my subscribers, they're pretty hard to amuse. So if we're gonna do something, I want to do something for them as well, and especially for the OGs. And so if you guys would like, I don't know, like a free sample or a discount or something, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do, and I'll send it to as many as I possibly can. And if you don't get that, at least you can get a discount code if you would like to try it. But my goal is to send a couple of free samples here and there, so you guys get to try it. The coffee it was surprisingly good. There's a huge difference between making this and of course the instant piece of crap that you drink when you're out. At least I do. I wouldn't bring this coffee on, you know, if you're going on a longer hike and weight and all that is an issue, but for an overnight like this, woo, perfect. Really nice, really nice. So anyways, that was it for this time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a good time, so hope we can share that. And I'm gonna leave you with the ocean here. See you next time.